Hey, this is Joe with Right Home Inspections. I'm doing a little video about an inspection I'm doing today in Minnesota. Beautiful day finally. We got above 30 and everything's dripping and leaking. So we're looking at a house here that's exterior cladding is Efus, which is a modern version of Stucco. And it's a common material. I have problems talking. Common material that has issues with moisture if not installed properly. What I'm looking at here, I'm going to zoom in, and above this window there's a piece of flashing. That is correct. This is the only window in the house that has the correct flashing above the window. That little metal bead or metal lip over the top of it protects the Efus from moisture intrusion from the top of the window. That window, which is a window that's been added to the house, has the proper flashing. Every other window in the house does not have that flashing. It's missing that little corner lip on the top of the window. Also, we have an issue with the Efus. I'm sorry for all the jiggling here. The Efus way up on the roof, where it's actually coming in contact with the shingles. There should be a 1-inch gap there to allow the Efus to breathe. The main point that made me suspicious, the house looks like it's in great shape because it was recently painted, which would hide most of the telltale signs of Efus issues. But my main concern here that got me really thinking about it is these mushrooms that are growing out of this windowsill. Mushrooms grow out of wood when wood is wet or from just natural materials decaying material, and growing out of the window is not a good sign. So that makes me very suspicious that there may be moisture behind this wall that's causing mushrooms to grow out, and they're growing out on the inside of the house too. So because of this and some missing other components in the installation of the Efus, we're going to recommend that they have a certified moisture company come in and do some invasive moisture probing and testing to see what the condition of the walls are inside this house, because I'm suspicious that they may not be great. Looking up at the top of this window also, we've got some mushroom growing out of the window. So just another reason for a thorough home inspection with Right Home Inspections. That's all for now.